replay. Or I can send another one after that. Close natin. Close mo. Let's send another one.
Cool.
Well, we haven't seen the Jollibee widget yet.
Hindi pa. You can order?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You can order. Let's go with a Big Mac. Champ. Add to tray. Check out. Check out. Immediate.
Siyempre yung address, ikaw maglalagay na.
Ikaw maglalagay, ano? So, this is assuming that you've had it already.
So you can use smart money or
cash on delivery. Continue. And that's the total. And
then it gets sent to the...
It gets sent to Manila.
Ganon?
Well, of course, we've disabled it now. But that's the plan.
Do you get the confirmation?
Yes, after you, for example, so since this is disabled naman so I can place the order, and then I get the confirmation, and then I get an SMS after that.
Okay, cool.